In this video, we will show you how to add and edit the Pay button component using PayPal as the payment gateway. The Pay button creates a button to take a single payment, subscription, or invoice payments through PayPal or WorldPay. When a visitor makes a payment through a Pay button, you will receive a notification email from the payment gateway and the transaction will appear in your account. To add a Pay button, click the Add Option button, and then under the Shop tab, click the Pay button component. Click anywhere on the Pay button to change its settings. First is the payment gateway you want to use. Select either PayPal or WorldPay. When using PayPal, you'll need to enter the email address of your PayPal account. Next, select if the payment type is fixed, invoice payment, or a subscription. Please note, on selecting the invoice payment option, the visitor will be asked to enter an invoice number and an amount to pay. Next, enter the description of your product or service. This description will be shown on the payment pages within PayPal. Next, enter the price of your product or service. You will have the option to change the currency. The button label field lets you change the text that is displayed on the Pay button. Finally, you can choose the alignment of the button. You can choose to have the button left aligned, right aligned, or centered. Click OK to apply the changes.